Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hundersi. Today in this video, I'm bringing to you another YouTuber from the borderland, the Northeast. He is very talented. He is a singer and a dancer. If you like to watch this video, I will give the description below so that you can visit. But today I'm going to react in this video the rock style. He is a singer and he sing all the songs. He covers the song on by his own style. He does not follow anyone, but he is singing on his style. And in this video I'm going to show you this rock style singing. Okay, come on guy, I hope you will like this and you can join with me. Person guy. Yeah.
You are a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself back in the saddle. You are on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we are getting closer, this ain't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you pull it up, if you pull it up, Samina mina, Sankalewa. Cause this is Africa, Samina mina, Waka Waka, Samina mina, Sankalewa. This time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine within the line, vamos por todo. People are rising their expectation. Go on and feed them, this is your moment hesitation. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. If you get down, when you get up, Samina mina, Sankalewa. This time for Africa, Samina mina, Waka Waka, Samina mina, Sankalewa. Anawa, Anawa, Anawa,
Thank you for watching this video with me. He's very talented guy, as you see here. But I will not tell you, and you can find out these persons. But I will tell you one thing. I will give his original link in the description, so you can click there and you can reach to him. He's very talented and he is believe in himself that he can do everything. Like now, what we heard, a song is not his own, but he's covered that song beautifully. And I hope you enjoyed that song. So today you can comment me about his song, and I will be bringing to you the next. Come on. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hundersi, and you're watching the Karbi reaction videos channel. If you are new in this channel, I welcome you and I invite you to like this video and subscribe this channel to be a part of this Karbi reaction videos family. And if you are my subscriber, I thank you for supporting this channel to grow and watching all my videos. And I hope you are fine and will keep supporting to grow this channel. Thank you so much.